abantu bakithi bala eMzansi bafike lapho khona bafuna ukuthatha izwe labo baliphathe liphathwe yibona ngendlela yabo ngoba sikaliphathi namanje ngoba kuba bekunjalo ngaba sihlale endaweni ongathi kuhlenzilwane. We are here silenhlangano to change Africa into our own. Noma siyathanda noma asithandi sokwenza bonke ukuthi nibekhona ngibonga nokuthi senifike manje esigabeni lapho khona senizwa kahle noma sekukhulunywa ukuthi hayi sekukhulunyiwe ngeke sathi ngifuna ukuthi mina ngizibani bani bebonda sibali wena nosibali ngakufike noma sokuthiwa seshonile sibali ngilulala njani. Ngibonga ukuthi sifike kulo bengingajabula mina ukuthi sonke ikakhulukazi thina nje mnyama sihlangane lokho ngempela sithathe izwe lethu konke lokho esikwenzayo sizothatha izwe lethu elathathwa kakhulu.
Do you guys still trust the Umkhonto weSizwe Party and President Jacob Zuma? And I'm speaking specifically about people who voted for the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, people like myself. In the May 2024 general and provincial elections, we voted for the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. But now, looking at the events that have unfolded within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party since the May 2024 elections, have they inspired confidence in you to say that you can still give them their vote? Have they conducted themselves in a fashion that gives you confidence and comfort that these are the people who are worthy of your vote? As we know that a lot has happened in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party since May 2024. They've changed the secretary generals, I think about 7 to 8 times. There's been so much instability. There's been expulsions right, left, and center. There's been accusations and counter accusations of the stealing of the funds within the party. So when you look at that broader picture, does it inspire you to say this is a political party that now, as we are going into local government elections, is this the party that you can give your vote? And to believe that once it is able to ascend to power, it will be able to achieve the things that you were hoping for as you voted them? Go to your comment section, give me your views. My name is Tebus Kosana. Thank you for watching.